Hey, let me show you how you can turn on and turn off the lock mode on your JBL Xtreme 4. So first of all, to turn on the lock mode, you will have to turn on your speaker for sure, and you will have to use play and the pause button and the Bluetooth button. You have to click and hold these two buttons together until your speaker turns off. So just watch on this power button, and it will take around 5 to 10 seconds of holding. There we go. And now if you try to power on the speaker, it actually won't let you to turn it on. The indicator will turns off all the time. So now to remove this lock mode, you will have to actually connect the USB-C cable into the USB-C port on the back of our JBL Xtreme 4. There we go. And then now it will actually lights up, but it still doesn't work. So let's keep removing. We have to use the same button combination, the play and the pause button and the Bluetooth button together. So click and hold these two buttons and wait until the speaker turns off. It will also take around few seconds, and now release, unplug this cable, then turn on your speaker by using the power button, and now everything is fine. And this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.